Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 20 and 21. This space between earth and the heavens and all the quarters is filled by you alone. Having seen this, your wonderful and terrible form, the three worlds are trembling with fear, O great souled being.
Chapter 11, Shloka 20. Dhyava prithivyor idamantaram hi vyaptam tvagaikena dishascha sarvaha drishtvaadbhutam rupam ugram tavedam logatrayam pravyatitam mahatman.
Verily, into you enter these hosts of devas. Some extol you in fear with joined palms. May it be well. Thus saying, bands of great rishis and siddhas praise you with hymns sublime.
Chapter 11, Shloka 21. Amihi tvam surasangaha vishanti kechit bhita pranchalayo grananti swasti tyukta maharshi siddha sangaha stuvanti tvam studipihi pushkalabihi.
Chapter 11, Shloka 20 and 21. The theme, the infinite, the eternal, described as apprehended by Arjuna, pervades the entire world of objects, and even the concepts of time and space are not independent of truth. The concept of the universal oneness cannot be easily grasped. The more you realize, the more you get staggered at the immensity of it all. A limited intellect cannot but shudder at the manifestation of such a vast and majestic truth. Each man sees the world as he himself is. Arjuna is trembling at the sight, and so finds the whole world trembling as he himself was. Shloka 21. Arjuna had a doubt regarding the possibilities of success in the war. In order to remove this, Lord Krishna now gives Arjuna a peep into the future that is in store for the world. So far, what Arjuna described was static. Now he describes the movements and actions that he observes in the cosmic form of the Lord. Hosts of devas enter and get lost in the universal form. Others in fear pray with folded palms, and yet others praise the Lord with hymns, who are not perturbed by the vision of the totality, because they are the perfect ones, the men of wisdom. They wish peace to all, always. Men of wisdom know that nothing is lost in the program of construction through destruction. In this shloka, the entire world of phenomenon has been beautifully brought under three heads: the subnormal, the normal, and the supernormal, as seen above. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.